Welcome. If you're looking for a way to get a little more peace and quiet while browsing Pinterest on your PC, you're in the right place. Today, we'll walk through how to disable in-app notifications for mentions and saved pins on the Pinterest app, all updated for the latest version. Let's get started. First, open up your Pinterest app on your PC. You'll need to be logged in, so if you aren't already, take a moment to enter your credentials. Once you're in, glance over to the left side of your screen. Here you'll see the main navigation menu. Look for the familiar gear icon. This is where the magic happens. Go ahead and click on it to open your settings. Inside settings, a whole new set of options appears. Scroll down just a bit and click on Notifications. This is the central hub for customizing exactly what you want Pinterest to tell you about and when. Here's the key part. Under the Pins You Save section, find the option labeled Mentions. Click on that. This is where you can fine-tune who can grab your attention with a mention in a saved pin. Now, you'll see an option for in-app notifications. Normally, this is turned on by default, meaning every time someone mentions you, a notification pops up inside Pinterest. But if you're ready to cut back on distractions, simply toggle this setting off. No more surprise updates every time there's a mention. Don't forget the last step. Once you've disabled in-app notifications for mentions, make sure to click Save. This confirms your changes and lets Pinterest know your new preference. And that's it. You've successfully silenced one more digital distraction, making Pinterest a little more relaxed and free from unnecessary notifications. Checking your Pinterest should feel easy, inspiring, and on your own terms. So if you're all about curating your feed and not your notifications, these quick tweaks help you focus on what really matters, finding those creative ideas without the clutter. Thanks for joining in on this guide.